Welcome back to your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Expresso, here on SABC3. Listen, we're about to enter the festive season.
Woo!
Holiday season is just around the corner. And while some of you may be taking a short left to explore the radiant landscapes of South Africa, some will be lounging by the pool. Just living large, darling. Either way, Woolies has you covered with the perfect looks for the ultimate summer. And to get the lowdown and all the latest looks from the stunning resort range, our fashion and beauty editor, Nox, is back to share all her faves from the summer collection. Nox,
hey,
welcome to the show. Always a pleasure to have you around.
Thank you. Looking radiant, giving me summer energy. I love it.
You are giving me safari vibes.
Girl, it's resort time. I think staycation season is here.
Yes.
So definitely time to up that wardrobe and get the right looks for being out and in the sun.
And talking about staycation and
Yes.
all the safari vibes, people here and watching the show know I'm a safari queen.
Yes.
I'm always in the wild, girl. So this is having me excited.
Yes.
Can you please take us through the trends
Yes.
When it comes to these kinds of looks?
So, I mean, you know, with resort wear, I think, you know, like you said, you can do safari, but right today what we're going to talk about really is the lounging around, your beach kind of wear, really the relaxed material. So I'm talking from your maxi dress, your real, like, lovely prints, whether it's a shirt or a two-piece. This is the time where your costumes, your two-piece and bright, bold colors, these are the times to get it. So for menswear, we're seeing dynamic shorts with great prints that are utility based, but also really just a lovely range of like fun, flirtatious kind of wear, but in breathable cottons that are perfect for just chilling by the pool.
I can't eat digayo than material that rubs against your skin, especially when it's hot and you're just dehydrated. So we need all of this season.
Absolutely.
Staycation is here, and staycation, for many people who don't know, is kind of like a vacation, but you do less activities. You stay inside the house.
Inside the house, inside the country. You can go a short left, but we're staying, we're embracing like being home. You know, COVID has taught us to enjoy what we have, and it doesn't mean that we can't look good while doing so.
Please get us into the trends.
So let's actually get into it. So I think what I love here is the maxi dress, which I'm wearing also. And I think these are so popular. From $2.99, you can find them at your Woolworths. Brilliant prints, but you could wear, like you're saying, at a safari. You can wear it more poolside. I love from the classic ranges more your tunic, kind of like something to wear just over, very easy to style, the bright colors.
Is this the same dress I'm wearing, but in a different color?
There we go. The range, and I love how you've styled it. So now you've added a belt, and you're wearing it to the office. But if you were near the beach, you can now take off the belt, you can wear your bikini underneath, and you're ready to do summer, you know. So I love these two pieces here in a really fun tie-dye print, really easy to kind of wear with your costume. But, you know, for the gents, we've got some lovely dynamic shorts here, really easy for a swim.
I love
some great shorts that they can wear. Like I said, you know, we are not short of a great print when it comes to the shorts. A utility style here. I love the pockets. I love the materials. Really, really great. But of course, bikini season.
Yes, ma'am. Poolside chilling is a real thing.
Exactly.
What should we be wearing? What colors are we looking out for this summer?
No color is limited when it comes to a bikini. Okay, I want you to do it all. I think there's such a beautiful range of popular colors, which are like pops of a color. Your pinks, your yellows, your two-piece, your one-piece. Really great detail here. I mean, if we even look at this costume in particular, some lovely detail here at the back for someone who prefers something. Great support also, which is optional. You can take out the pads if you want to. But even for the kiddies, what I love about the swimwear range is that it's actually got UV protection in the design of the actual thing. Yeah, so SPF 30 is available here, removing at least 98% of the UV rays that could come with your kids. So from mom to dad to baby, you are sorted with summer. You can play in the sun and be comfortable to know that they are in good hands and with sustainably sourced materials.
Game changer, if you ask me. But I need to see these outfits alive. And we have two beautiful models who have joined us this morning. Jamie Lee Domberg,
Yes, girl. Ooh, girl.
take us through
Love.
this style, Knox.
I love this. So we're using the maxi dress trend here. I love the way that it comes in the bust area here. We've got great material use here. She could use it as an off the shoulder. Jamie, if you could just lift it up a bit on your shoulders just so that we can see different ways to wear it. We've styled it here with a lovely hat, which, you know, accessories are also a great time to shine at the moment. And, you know, there's really great detail. Even if she walks, there's a beautiful flow and a slit there that is super
Jamie, walk.
flirtatious.
We want to see that.
Now let
Yes.
me walk. Now let me walk. Now let me.
Yes,
Guys,
yes.
I'm just supposed to stand here, okay?
I love it.
But I mean, so comfortable, I think, and really like the print is really exciting. She can wear it on the beach. She can wear it maybe even like you're saying to a safari, but really multi-purpose, easy to style, and super complimentary, I think.
I love it. Jamie Lee Domberg, you look stunning, my
Thank you
sweetheart.
so
much.
Where's your partner this summer? Ryle Demoni.
I'm waiting
Yes.
for him. Waiting for him to come in.
Oh, look
It
at
is
him
time-
coming through all swagged out.
A little swagger by the pool.
Hey, okay.
I love this look also. Very relaxed. I mean, I think even Ryle, the way he styled himself this morning is not too far off from this, you
Yes.
know. So really relaxed shirt, woven materials. This is from the Studio W range, paired with a lovely chino here that is light and
Yes.
obviously free. You can see the movement from
I
Ryle.
am watching him.
Yes, but I really like the style here. I love the way also just you can make it flirtatious, you know, button down. And so it's really, really great for summer by the pool and really just casual wear.
And also just BT dubs, you don't have to have a six-pack to have your shirt unbuttoned
Yes.
this summer, okay? It's hot, we all understand. We need to breathe a little bit. Knox, thank you so much for coming
Pleasure.
through and elevating our style to a whole new level this summer. It's exciting, man. There you have it, everybody. Everything you need to know and need to get for staycations with Woolies this summer. Get your hands on these amazing trends and more this summer and dazzle the fashion game, darling. Remember, you can shop in-store, online, or on the Woolies app. Knox, I'm going to take this dress. I'm
Babe,
leaving with
but,
this. Okay, thank you very
what?
much.